In this video, I'll show you how to create an amazing website in less than 10 minutes with AI with zero coding skills. A website that will look exactly like mine that I spent $15,000 some years ago. I'll take you from A to Z and show you every single step you need to follow to have a perfect website published in less than 15 minutes. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So this is my website, simplydigital.gr. I created that 7-8 years ago when I started Simply Digital, and includes all my services, all my courses, my blog, my consultation program, everything. It's a heavy website, something that took us months to create. So now I want to test one.com, which is one of the most recognizable brands out there when it comes to build legit websites with zero coding skills. And I'll show you exactly how to do it from A to Z. So take your notebook and let's do this. So we're gonna get started right here. Select your category. I will go with marketing consultant right here. I will continue. I will write my brand name, which is obviously Simply Digital. Share some things about your business. So I need to mention that I'm an entrepreneur and a marketeer, and I'm specializing in marketing services, right? I will use we, right, instead of I. Your language, obviously, I want it to be in English. And seconds later, you have your first draft. This is my first draft, right? And now I will start customizing that. Enter the builder, select colors. So I will go with my neon blue, like this one, or this one, right? So you select the color. You can enter also the exact code of your color for the button, the secondary colors as well. And now I will start customizing the different sections. I will remove the pre-made photos that I have right here, and I will start dropping the images that I have. You can use AI to generate yours. You can have your own editor create some for you. So for example, I used Canva to create this image right here. I'm adding that. I will change the header, grow your business simply. You can just drag and drop, right? You can customize it exactly like you would do on a design platform. See our services right here. I will add a secondary button right next to it. Call us now, which is if somebody wants to give you a call, exactly like I have with my website. I will make it a bit bigger. Now I'll adjust the different size of the text, as you see. And now I need to go to the second section and start customizing exactly like my website looks like, right? So I will remove those sections that have been pre-made for me. This one as well. I will keep just this one, simply services, because I need to create a different panel with all the different services that we offer as an agency. And now I will add some more images that will make it personalized, which is my own image, right? This is a personal brand, so I need to make it more look like me, right? I will add some text right here. I need consultation support. I will adjust the text, obviously. Add another heading, right? Exactly like you would do in a Word document. Do you feel lost, frustrated, stagnant? You can obviously use AI to come up with your landing page flow, right? The main header, which is the promise that you want to make to people. I help businesses grow, or I make people fit, whatever. The first thing you need to do is to come up with a promise and then describe exactly how you help people materialize this promise, right? Another button right here, see how I will use the same color. Obviously, you need to be consistent with your colors. I will make this a bit smaller, and you need to prioritize the things based on the importance for your business. So if your consultation program is more important, it has to be on the top. I will select some images that will be fitting for the services that I want to include, like website development, email marketing, social media handling, right? I will adjust them right here. I need 8 images. I will add a text. Double click here to add your own text, as you see. I will add my own text. Email marketing. This is the first one. The second one is content services. The third one, Google services, Google Ads, Google My Business, etc. The fourth one in consulting services. We're gonna go with video services as well, right? So you see 8 different buckets. In each one of these sections, obviously there are gonna be some products behind, right? Exactly like an e-commerce store has website, e-shop, Simplies, and video and marketing and social media services. We're gonna adjust the columns right here, adjust the images a bit. Obviously you can change them. You can make them darker, you can make them brighter, whatever you want. And now let's edit the next section. I will remove everything and I will add new images right here, the one that I have created with my designer as well, right? Join the VIP Simply Hustle Tribe. This is the section that promotes my community. I'll create a section right here so I can add some text and look better behind the dark theme, Simply Hustle's community. I will adjust the text, make it a bit smaller, as you see. I will adjust the height of the segment so it's more visible, right? You can see in real time, both in mobile view and in landscape view, how it looks. So I will go with the About section right here, write exactly what I would like to add, talk about the community of Simply Hustlers for busy content creators and solopreneurs. I will add the description, and this will add an AI generated text in order to make it more compelling, right? So you see those AI elements, how they make the whole process faster and better. Become a member. I will add the button right here, and then I will go with another section, exactly like my website looks like, which is again an image section. I will adjust it. This is my video course right here. I will copy paste the same segment, the same text segment that we created. So this is my video course section. I just copied the image segment, the banner, right? I will adjust it and write the right text right here, describing exactly what my course is all about. At the button, check it here. Make sure to add the right links behind each button, right? Because when you duplicate a button, sometimes you duplicate also the link, so it has to be different. And now it's time to add some bookings, right? A booking system where people can book in 1 hour, 2 hours consultation with me. I will add the availability that I'm available on Mondays from 9 to 4, Tuesdays from 9 to 5. I will add all those segments as availability and add this as a service. And then you can obviously add the details of your service, the service name, the description, the duration, add an image if you want something specific to be different for each one of them. You will set the price, as you see right here. And those are the programs that I'm offering to people, 3 different consultations, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. You can also edit the settings, obviously, of your consultations and your bookings if you want them to be repeated, and so many other details that you can edit. And now we will create the actual services. We're gonna go in the dashboard, in the products list, delete everything that has been created automatically from the first draft right here, and we're gonna start adding products, exactly like you would do in an e-commerce store, right? So I will go on the top right, add a product, performance, marketing, right here, add a description. You can complete it with AI, write a paragraph, and let AI do the rest of the work. You can add files right here, PDFs, videos, whatever, set the pricing, set your regional settings if you're in Europe, in US, and just like that, your product is ready. And after creating the product in the backend, we're gonna add the section of performance marketing in the front end, as you see right here, adjust the size or the placement on your website, and publish your website by hitting the button on the top right. As you see, the site is already published. I will add my logo right here on the top left, adjust the header, save all the changes that you do all the time, right? And just like that, I have a website published with a product that I would like to have, a website that can take payments, collect leads, get emails, whatever you want. It's as easy as that, right? Depending on your needs, it will come with a suggested theme, which is super important because most people don't really understand what exactly they need. And based on the first theme, keep it simple. Use ChatGPT to come up with a flow that makes sense, with a header, segment, testimonials, your services, and a call to action, and that's it. A couple of products, and here you go. You have a website ready, an actual business ready within 15 minutes. You can take it from the description below, and I would love to see your websites published in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, show some love, hit the like button, share it with somebody who will find it valuable. Watch this video as well for some extra inspiration, some extra business ideas. And until next time, simply hustle.